Right folks, first 10-minute tour, first in the playlist.
I'm honoured.
This is Greg.
Hi everyone, how you doing?
And what van is it? What year van?
14 plate Sprinter. It's a long wheelbase extended body, yeah.
Yeah, it's massive. Yeah man.
I needed to get us all in.
And the burning question that I'm going to ask everybody,
Yeah.
how much you standing at all in on the build and everything?
Probably about 1920, something like
1920.
that. Including the van.
Well, I mean outside it's pretty much standard, no, apart from light bars
light
and
bar on the front, camera
system.
cameras all round.
What about the cab? Have you done much extra in the cab?
Extra stereo down the bottom, Alpine head unit, and the screen for the cameras. There's a DVR underneath the passenger footwell down there.
Okay. That's for the CCTV?
Yes, yeah. Other than that, yeah, the seats swivel around 180 degrees.
Oh, you got a swivel base on there?
On both of them, yeah.
Oh, brilliant.
So it really opens the cab up, you know,
Yeah.
when you've gone turned.
Yeah, that's awesome. They are, I mean, they're really nice, aren't they? The modern vans.
Yeah. Yeah, it's lovely to drive.
Is that your backup camera in the corner there?
That's the CCTV screen, so I can get all the cameras up on that one.
Okay.
It's
What are these little things here? Is that for phone?
that's to their magnetic things, so that I can clip my other iPad
Oh, okay.
onto it, and I use that as sat nav.
Ah, they're pretty cool.
I've not got that with me, unfortunately, today.
Right, moving through then to the main attraction.
Yeah.
So you've got, are they like standard seats then, are they? Or?
No, that's a rock and roll bed
Oh wow.
that I had upholstered to match the front seats. Yeah, that folds down. Makes a 6'2" by about 4.5 foot wide bed.
Yeah, that looks real like premium, doesn't it? Proper.
Oh, it is. Yeah, it's from a place in Shrewsbury called Titan Beds, and I'm very, very pleased with it.
Yeah, that's cool. So that folds out.
Yeah, you take the headrests out.
Yeah.
There's a bar on the front that just this bit slides forward and that bit comes down, and then that bit folds flat.
You got storage underneath.
Yeah, there's a bit of storage underneath for wires and bits and bobs, tools and stuff.
I'm guessing these are for your table.
Yes, they're for the table. That's a heater outlet vent in the middle that you can turn and direct the heat wherever you want it.
So that's diesel heater then?
Yes, diesel heater under the driver's seat.
Okay. Brilliant. Is it Chinese one?
It is indeed.
Hey.
There's the controller up the top right.
Oh yeah. Awesome.
Yeah, brilliant bit of kit.
Yeah. Well, so you've done carpeted all the walls.
Yeah. Put the shelf in above the cab. That's storage in there. It's got my up front cab blinds.
Oh, okay.
In there.
And that's, I recognise that. That's the inverter, isn't
That's
it?
my inverter, yeah. Which is down here under this panel here.
Oh,
So
wow.
that just comes up, and then you've got
Nice.
the solar shut off, the
Yeah.
inverter, and there's the Victron mains charger. So when I plug it in, that charges the leisure batteries.
That's clever. That is. I don't even. You wouldn't even know that's there, would you? That's brilliant.
But I put this plinth kind of thing in because when the seats are turned,
Yeah.
I wanted the seats to be the same height
Okay.
rather than that one lower.
Yeah.
And then the table be too high for it, or
Makes sense. Yeah.
yeah. It
Brilliant.
was my daughter Jess's idea to put the maps on the ceiling.
Yeah. I was just looking at that.
Yeah.
That's really nice. It's like a standoff kind of thing.
Yeah. LEDs in the shadow gap there.
Oh, I hoped you were going to say that.
So if I then on, they come
Oh,
on.
look at that. That's proper, that is. Awesome. And you got two Max fans.
Yeah, yeah.
Are they the deluxe ones?
They are, yeah, the remote controlled ones, yeah.
Yeah. A couple of they're USBs over
Yeah,
there.
USBs for when you're sitting at the table or whatever, you know, you want to charge your phone or the iPad or whatever.
Yeah. That floor. Is that? Oh.
It's vinyl, aluminium checker plate.
Yeah.
That's in vinyl.
That's pretty cool. That is.
Like cushion floor stuff.
Yeah. Hey.
Yeah, so you've got to have one of those.
Hey. Did you make all the kitchen and stuff yourself?
I did,
It's
yeah.
really nice. That is.
Yeah, this is just engineered oak flooring.
Laminate.
It's all made out of it. So you've got the cupboard here, and then every bloke needs one. A crap drawer.
Yeah.
king size width, so 1.5 metre wide bed.
Yeah.
Where my kids sleep.
Are you relegated to the
Yes, I'm on
rock and
that,
roll
yeah.
when the kids are in?
Yeah.
Nice.
Toilet behind, that's not finished.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is like the toilet, and I put this on because if it's always the case, if I'm standing here, one of the kids wants to get through, so
Yeah.
I just go like that.
Nice.
If I've got a solid door, you know, solid wall there, then I can't do
Yeah,
that. But,
I would make it more.
and this has just got like food and stuff. And,
Okay.
Yeah.
You got your carbon monoxide alarm there.
Yeah,
Which is a must, of course.
it is.
What your water tanks and stuff, is that all under your?
The water tank is basically behind here,
Yeah.
goes all the way to the back. I think it's 37, 38 litres, something like that, but it's plenty for me.
Yeah.
And then there's the 3 drawers here, then the fridge for the beer.
Of course. And is your hob, is that LPG, is it?
No, I've got a gas locker in the garage at the back.
Yeah.
But yeah, that was a bargain off Amazon, that was.
It looks fairly similar to the one I've got,
Yeah.
almost.
You won't believe what I paid for that.
Really?
23 quid.
Oh my god. Yeah, mine was 100.
Yeah, 23 quid off Amazon.
Wow, that's cool, that is.
And then the wastewater tank is under the van.
Okay.
And that's got a 12 volt electric ball valve on it. So I flick a switch on the dash and it opens and all the water drips.
See, I wanted to do that with mine, I just never got round to it, so I've
Yeah.
got a manual.
Yeah,
Oh, that's brilliant, that is.
I'll do the switch on the dashboard. I'll show you if you want. And then, yeah, it just turns.
Yeah,
and
that's
then lets
cracking,
the water out. Yeah. So you don't even have to get out of the van.
Yeah.
Pull over a drain,
That's it, man.
flick the switch, and then go.
That's awesome.
Yeah. This is all going to be sanded round and filled and then probably painted. I'm not sure what colour.
Yeah.
These will be sprayed in this, like these.
So what's
grey
this?
on the
Is this
inside.
is this like Raptor?
No, it's like Stone Effects spray paint.
It looks like real sort of premium finish, doesn't
Yeah,
it?
yeah.
So you can see having the high bed design means
Yeah.
you get that lovely garage space.
That's it. So I can sit up on the bed, and obviously the kids can. But yeah, we get all the bikes in the back.
Yeah. And electric mounting
And
boards.
electric mounting board.
So that's your gas locker there then.
Yes, that's a gas locker. And believe it or not, it's got in it a tiny
Wow.
4.5 kilo, and that's been in over 12 months, and I've never
Really?
had to change it because I only run the hob on it.
I should probably say that obviously you're not full time
No,
in
no.
this, so you got your, is that where you get your cassette out?
Yes,
obviously?
that's the cassette
At the back
for the
there.
toilet there. Yeah,
Your batteries.
the batteries
Is that
are
all in
under
the front?
passenger
So
seat.
what power do you have in here?
At the minute, I've just got 210 amp hour flooded lead acid batteries.
And that moves on to your charging. So what do you have? You obviously got your solar.
Yeah, 400 watts solar on the roof,
Yeah.
down to a Victron 30 amp MPPT charger. Then I've got a Victron Smart, Orion Smart battery to battery charger.
Yeah.
So that's charges when I'm driving. And then there's electric hookup that goes to a Victron 30 amp mains charger.
Right. Brilliant. So you got that 3. I always say you want to have 3 methods to
Yeah.
charge.
Yeah.
Because then you've got redundancies for each one. Then.
Yeah.
Little camera in the handle there.
Yeah. That's like a rear view
Oh,
mirror
okay.
camera, you know, so you can see straight out the back.
Yeah, and I guess that's you pointing down one.
Yeah.
So you've got that all linked to your phone then, haven't you? It's showing.
Yes. Yeah, I can get it.
Yeah,
There's
and
the
that-
one out the back now.
That can feed to the phone, which is absolutely mental. It's almost real time.
Yeah.
Half a second out. That's brilliant, that is. Right, well there you go. So that is Greg's Sprinter. Awesome. Nice one, man. Thanks for showing me around.
No worries.